So I've already taken the radio out and ran the RCA wires on that side, and then the remote wire on the other side. RCA is always put on the side by itself because those are signal wires and I don't want no signal noise coming through the speakers. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take off these panel pieces and let the seat down and kind of see what we're working with the box. So I already got the box in the back, so now we're seeing what we're working with on the floor right here. So I'm gonna let these seats down, and as you can see, the box is in right there because man, this trunk is really small. All right, so I was able to reach in there and grab the latch and let it down. So this is the space we got to work with as far as the amp goes. So we're gonna build a little amp rack to go right here and try to, it'll be a little small one. I'm pretty sure we can just maybe secure it down to here and then secure the box to the amp rack somehow. But we'll go ahead and get the amp rack built for the amp and the capacitor that I'm putting in there. So let me show you where I drilled my hole to run my wire this time. There's a little spot up under here, right there. If you can see that, right there, this is where I cut this this backing, this cardboard backing, and then I drilled my hole right there. If you look right there, there's the grommet. So it's probably right beside the brake booster. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick my hanger through there and see where it comes out at. Or you can just look on the inside. See, I took the wheel off and everything trying to go through the grommet, but that didn't work. So if you look right there, you see that hole is right here. I mean, it's right on the right side of the brake booster. So we're clearing the brake booster right there. So that's where you can drill your hole. You can see that. You can drill your hole right there and run your 1/aught wire. Anything outside of that, you're gonna have to probably go up under the car or something. So you might ask what I used. I used to start a bit like this, right angle drill, and then I started my steps with this one, and then I'm moving to this one, and then I'm gonna step it up a little bit to about right there. Actually, I need a bigger step, but I want to step it kind of to right there, and then go and get my bigger step, and then step it to the diameter that I need for the wire. So that's what I used, a little cheap right angle drill. Yeah, man. So here's the big step, so I can get it to the mark that I need for my grommet to go through there, and yeah, put that on there. So now if you look up under here, let's get the flashlight. It's got the rubber grommet on there. So now we can just pass the wire through that without having to worry about it, getting cut onto there and then shorten something out. Yeah. So now since we have to run the 1/aught wire, I had to take this panel off so we can run it down here and up through here. So all this whole panel comes off. It's right here. And all it is pops out. So on the other side with the RCAs, I won't have to worry about that. I can just tuck and run with that and pull it through. So yeah, man, let's continue to go ahead and run this wire. And let me show you what it looks like afterwards. So check it out, check it out. This all should look familiar. Box almost take up the whole trunk. Let's go and look in there. Well, actually, let's go this way. Get a better view. Check out the install. Still got to do some securing. Got the line driver, 2 fuses back there, the block, and the amp. Let's go to the trunk and get a listen. So I got the windows up so we won't wake the neighbors. And let's get my phone hooked up. See if I can play some music on here. See if we can get some music going. Yeah, man, that sound pretty good. Yeah, these things hitting real good. The box sounds good. Everything is clean and clear. Yeah, so you should be good with this for a little while. It's actually gonna change this radio out, and I can't wait so we can get some more bass in that speaker back there. But anyways, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.